huge congratulations to the director for what he's done over the last year. It's truly a remarkable achievement and something so important to take this museum, which I understand is going to be for culture, history and natural history, to showcase Somalia's incredibly rich history on biodiversity, on history and culture. It's so important to treasure that history because understanding our history helps us to position ourselves in our future. So on building this museum, I want to pull the full support of the UN behind this to do what we can to promote what you're doing, to try and ensure donors come in, to try and make connections with other museums internationally. So I want to just reinforce our strong commitment as the UN to support this incredibly important project. So most of you here today are the youth of Somalia, the future of Somalia. And those of you who are artists, your role is so important. It's been wonderful to see some of the amazing works that are up in the gallery today.